I am a real estate agent and I am about to do a tour using my brand new Meta glasses. I'm so excited. So if you want to see how I do tours for my out-of-state real estate investors, this is how it's done. I record everything and now I don't have to hold up my phone, so I will see you inside. All right, this is the absolute bane of my existence, is the Supra E-Key lockbox. Ugh. That's how it goes. Because of my Meta glasses, I can put my phone in my pocket. We are in. Three bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, and I am going to show you how I show this house, and it's just so dang easy because I have Meta glasses. It's wonderful. Love the trim. Okay, love, love, love. I'm just going to keep going right. So this is bedroom 1. I don't know if this is the master. It doesn't seem like it would be. Nice big closet. Meta glasses in place. You see they're still dark. I don't know why. It does take the tint a little while, a little time to go away. But this is very nice. Very, very nice. And then here is a half bath. Hello. I'm always looking at ceilings when I do a showing. And of course, I deal with a lot of rentals, a lot of older properties, but like if there's a roof leak, I'm going to tell my buyer. I am going to be their eyes and ears. I do a lot of showings for out-of-state buyers that want to buy here in Savannah. This kitchen is very nice. And this subdivision is actually wonderful. This is a gated subdivision. So double oven, love, love, love. I love this. It actually has a lagoon view. And boy, I know so many people would like this. We're near the Savannah airport in Pooler. That's why there's so much industry. We have Gulfstream and many other things. So you could sit here on your back porch and you could watch airplanes land. And that is not a bad thing. But look at this great view. This is fantastic. And I have my hands free because I have my Meta glasses. So fun. So, this is the downstairs. Ooh, gas fireplace. I love that they already have the TV mount. That's fabulous. A coat closet. Not that we need any coats. Okay, here's the master. Yeah, this is better. This is wonderful. TV there. Oof. Hello. I like the bathroom. Double sinks. Let's see. Okay, my Meta glasses are clearer now. Tub and shower. Bathroom. Nice big master closet. This is beautiful. Okay. I guess I already showed that. That was the coat closet. Okay. And keep going. So we found 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. And then this is the laundry. Wonderful. Looks like it comes with a washer and dryer. That's never a bad thing. This is great. Not sure what that is. Okay. Oh, I like this 2-car garage. I love how they have the windows. That makes it so much lighter. Interesting. It's like they had that tacked to the wall for an earthquake or something, but we don't have earthquakes. Okay, so this is sprinkler system, water shut-off valve, and we have a nice panel. I always like to see how many amps it is. I'm gonna guess 200, but I don't know. And then there's some storage, and then this is going to go obviously to the outside. Let me see if I can check the HVAC. I like to always check on a unit. Again, I deal with a lot of older homes, and this home is fairly new, so the air conditioner looks great. Let me see if I can find the date. Okay. So a lot of times when you're looking at a listing, you can see the date of the HVAC. I don't see it right off the bat, and I know this video isn't necessarily about that, but I'm always checking all the systems for my buyers. It's super important, especially when you have an out-of-state buyer. I'm going to be just really, really thorough. Like, I'm here to have their back. And of course, the property inspection is going to be a lot more thorough. Love the wood stairs, but I try to do a very thorough inspection when I'm doing a showing, just to kind of give them a heads up to what's coming. Looks a little funny, but I think it's fine. Okay, so we have carpet up here. So this is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath home. So I guess there's just 1 bedroom up here, and then this is like a bonus room. Okay, so here's the bathroom. Beautiful. This is 2.5. Yeah, 2.5 to 3. I don't know what I'm thinking. Okay, here's the attic. I love a walk-in attic. Let's see if I can get the light on. Okay. Water heater looks great. Let's see if I see a date. I'm always amazed at how well the guys doing the inspections, they can find the date. Sometimes I can see it. Oh! I have to say, I've never seen this before. We have 2 water heaters? Okay, I'm confused. If you know why I'm looking at 2 water heaters, I would appreciate it if you'd put that in the comments. Water heater number 2, good gravy. Here's the furnace. It looks great. Spray foam, love. Here in Savannah, whew, that's a must. And I've even spray foamed almost all of my furnace rentals because I'm paying a bill. And that spray foam will pay you back in a few years. You have to be planting a hole for a while, and I do. So here's bedroom number 3. This is really nice. Oh, duh, I was just in there. That's the furnace, obviously. This is nice. You can see the neighbor, but it also has a view on the side. That water view is so nice. So anyway, it's a very nice size house. It's very big, but at the end of the day, it's 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. So, wait, 3.5? I'm getting confused. I think it's 3.5 bathrooms because the downstairs one was en suite. But this is great. I like it. The only thing about my Meta glasses is that if I were to see something, which frequently I find an issue in the ceiling and I want to zoom in on it with my phone, and I cannot do that with these glasses. You know, it's just kind of one view or whatever. But I always have stuff in my hands and a key and all kind of stuff, so it is nice to have my hands free. I just want to make sure. That's a half bath. This is, yeah. So it's 3.5 bathrooms. Okay. I like it. And this is really good. I hope you like this video. And if you want to buy cash flow real estate in Savannah, call me. This is how I do showings, and I try to do a really good job.